Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best knife sharpeners that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a professional chef, a home cook, or just someone looking to maintain their knives, these products cover a wide range of needs and budgets. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Intellitopia Complete Knife Sharpening Stone Set. This product is perfect for users who appreciate the traditional art of sharpening knives with a whetstone. The kit includes 4 grit levels, 400, 1000 for repairing dull blades, and 3000, 8000 for polishing to a razor-sharp finish. It also comes with a leather strop, a bamboo base, 3 non-slip rubber bases, and an angle guide to ensure you sharpen your knives accurately. The build quality of this set is impressive, especially for the price. The whetstones feel durable, and the inclusion of a bamboo base adds a touch of elegance while maintaining stability during use. However, this sharpener does require some skill and patience to use effectively. Beginners might appreciate the included angle guide, but there is a learning curve if you've never used a whetstone before. This is an excellent choice for those who want fine control over their blade sharpening and are willing to invest the time to master the process. With a price tag of just $26.99, it offers tremendous value, especially given the range of accessories included. The downside is that it's less convenient compared to electric and manual sharpeners, so it's better suited for hobbyists and knife enthusiasts rather than those looking for a quick fix. Pros: affordable, versatile grit options, and great accessory bundle. Cons: time-intensive and not beginner-friendly without practice. Coming in at number 4 is the Airlian Rolling Knife Sharpener Kit. This unique sharpener combines functionality and design, offering a rolling mechanism paired with diamond and ceramic discs. It features 2 sharpening angles, 15 degrees for ultra-sharp edges and 20 degrees for standard household knives. The magnetic angle support ensures consistent results, and the sharpener's natural wood construction adds a premium aesthetic. In terms of performance, this sharpener strikes a balance between ease of use and precision. The rolling design makes it fun to operate, and the diamond abrasive is highly effective for restoring dull blades. The ceramic disc ensures a polished, long-lasting edge. However, it's not suitable for serrated knives or scissors, which limits its versatility. The build quality is solid, with the wooden base providing a stable platform during sharpening. Priced at $39.99. The Airlian Rolling Sharpener is a good mid-range option for home cooks who want an easy-to-use, aesthetically pleasing tool. It's particularly appealing as a gift, thanks to its stylish packaging. However, it may not be ideal for those who need to sharpen a wide variety of blade types. Pros: innovative rolling design, premium wood construction, and consistent results. Cons: not versatile for all blade types and higher price compared to manual sharpeners. The Airlian Rolling Sharpener is a good mid-range option for home cooks who want an easy-to-use, aesthetically pleasing tool. It's particularly appealing as a gift, thanks to its stylish packaging and higher price compared to manual sharpeners. At number 3, we have the Longzon 4-in-1 Knife Sharpener, a budget-friendly option at just $12.99. Despite its affordable price, this sharpener punches above its weight with 4 sharpening stages that cater to everything from coarse sharpening to fine polishing. It's compatible with a range of blades, including kitchen knives, pocket knives, and even scissors. The package also includes a pair of cut-resistant gloves for added safety. The lightweight and compact design make this sharpener easy to store, and its non-slip base ensures stability during use. While it may not feel as premium as higher-end models, the build quality is decent for the price. However, the plastic construction might not hold up well under heavy or prolonged use. This sharpener is ideal for occasional home use or for those who need a quick and inexpensive solution. The sharpening process is straightforward and beginner-friendly, but it may not deliver the razor-sharp edge that professionals or enthusiasts might expect. Pros: extremely affordable, versatile for different blade types, and includes safety gloves. Cons: lower durability, and not as effective as higher-end models for precision sharpening. Taking the second spot is the Kitchelens 3-stage Knife Sharpener. At just $15.99, this sharpener offers incredible value and functionality. Its 3-stage system repairs, sharpens, and polishes blades, making it a versatile tool for maintaining your kitchen knives. Like the Longzon model, it also comes with a cut-resistant glove for added safety. The Kitchelens sharpener is designed with usability in mind. Its ergonomic handle and non-slip base provide comfort and stability, making it suitable for both left and right-handed users. Despite its lightweight ABS plastic construction, it feels sturdy and durable enough for regular home use. The sharpening slots are intuitive, and the process takes only a few seconds per knife. This product is perfect for home cooks who want an affordable yet effective tool to maintain their knives. While it doesn't offer the precision of higher-end options, it does a great job for its price range. Pros: affordable, user-friendly design, and effective 3-stage sharpening. Cons: not suitable for heavy-duty use and may not deliver professional-grade results. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.